Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear cache and delete all the junk files from your system. Without further delay, let's start. First, we have to open Run. Go to search for Run. Press the enter key. In Run, we have to type temp, T-E-M-P. Click on OK. It will ask for the permission. Click on continue. 80 items are there. We have to delete all these files. Select any file. Press Ctrl A. We have to delete these files permanently. So we have to press Shift and delete. Click on Yes. Some files need administrator permission. Just click on continue. If it's still asking for that, just do this for all the current items, then click on skip. So it delete. Again go to search for Run. In Run, now we have to type %temp %. Press the enter key. Here also same, select any file, Ctrl A, Shift delete. Press S, skip, delete it. Close the window. Again go to Run, search Run. In Run, we have to type free fit. Same, Ctrl A, Shift delete. Delete it. After that, we have to open Run again. Here, we have to type clean mgr. Press the enter key. We have only one drive, that is C drive, that's why it's directly opened this window. If we have C, D drive means one window will come. There you have to select from which drive you want to delete the cache files. So here we have to select all these check boxes, then click on OK. It will clean the device drive. That's all. You cleared all the junk files from your system. Hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.